Howdy guys, welcome back. It's Bearded Logger again, but today I wanted to talk about something that I was always curious about, and until I got one, I was curious about these little bitty skid steers. This thing's an 1816 C, and it's a pretty small little skid steer. I mean, it's about as small as you can get. I think it weighs about 2,000 pounds because it has the added weights on the back and the little bigger tires. But I was always curious of, will this thing actually do any type of work? And comparatively to a big 10,000 pound skid steer on tracks, no, not really. But for the price and for the size of it, it's pretty impressive what it'll actually do. Because like here, we're gonna do you a little demonstration of, we got some patio paver blocks in the bucket of it, about as many as we can possibly fit in there, and there's just over 800 pounds worth of blocks in there. I think maybe about 810. But this machine, like I said, only weighs about 2,000 pounds. So comparatively, that's a pretty good sized load inside the bucket there, and it's got a 43-inch bucket on it. But this little thing is kind of impressive because it'll hoist that no problem, and you can pack it around. And we're going to do a couple of things. We might do a little bit of digging. That's one place where it kind of fails. And if it has hard compacted soil, it doesn't dig the best. But if you're in more grassy, loose soil, you have no problem digging in and getting a full bucket full of dirt. And like I said, anything you can fit in the bucket, basically, it has no problem picking it up and moving it around. But we're just going to do a couple little demonstrations and show you what it'll actually kind of do. Stay tuned, guys. Well guys, as you can see, it does a pretty good job of moving dirt. I mean, like I said, if it's loose dirt, it does halfway decent job digging. You can easily get you a bucket full. It's way easier than using the manual way, you know, being on the labor end of a shovel. It kicks the crap out of that. But I'm sure, as you can hear in the video, we have a drive belt squalling here on this side, but I just haven't got around to fixing that yet. But you know, it's pretty impressive of picking up 800 pounds in the bucket. And then, I mean, the digging obviously isn't as impressive as a 10,000 pound track machine, but like I said, it's way better than doing it by hand. And if you get a chance to get one, or if you've been curious about what kind of work you can do with one of these little things, I mean, you can do just about anything. It just takes you a little bit longer because it's a lot smaller than the new stuff. But that's probably going to do it for this video. If you haven't done so already, like, subscribe, and I'll keep trying to make videos. And until next time, see you later.